Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 1. Annual Summit 2016 held in A. Canada, B. China, C. Japan, D. USA. The right answer is C. Japan. Question number 2. Who is the Federal Minister of Religious Affairs? A. Peer Muhammad Amin, B. Sardar Muhammad Yusuf, C. Muhammad Farooq, D. Chaudhry Salik Hussain. The right answer is D. Chaudhry Salik Hussain. Question number 3. Who has won the most Formula 1 title? A. Michael Schumacher, B. Lewis Hamilton, C. Sebastian Vettel, D. Jim Clark. The right answer is A. Michael Schumacher. Question number 4. When did Tipu Sultan died? A. 4 May 1799, B. 12 May 1799, C. 24 May 1799, D. 14 May 1799. The right answer is A. 4 May 1799. Question number 5. When was the first petrol car developed? A. 89 to 90, B. 87 to 88, C. 88 to 89, D. 85 to 86. The right answer is D. 1885 to 1886. Question number 6. Which country accepted Pakistan first? A. Iraq, B. Indonesia, C. Iran, D. China. The right answer is C. Iran. Question number 7. Moroni is the capital of which country? A. Cyprus, B. Czechia, C. None of these, D. Comoros. The right answer is D. Comoros. Question number 8. Foreign Secretary of Pakistan is A. Salman Bashir, B. Ambassador Amna Baloch, C. Jalil Abbas Jilani, D. Aziz Chaudhry. The right answer is B. Ambassador Amna Baloch. Question number 9. Which is the biggest thermal power station in Pakistan? A. Jamshuru steam, B. Guddu, C. Faisalabad gas turbine, D. Multan steam. The right answer is B. Guddu. Question number 10. Dead Sea is lying between A. Israel and Jordan, B. Iraq and Sudan, C. Russia and Japan, D. Greece and Turkey. The right answer is A. Israel and Jordan. Question number 11. Pakistan Air Force Officer Academy is in A. Lahore, B. Peshawar, C. Karachi, D. Riasalpur. The right answer is D. Riasalpur. Question number 12. What is the total length of Baltoro Glacier? A. 63 km, B. 56 km, C. 54 km, D. 56.5 km. The right answer is A. 63 kilometer. Question number 13. Total length of frontier between Pakistan and Afghanistan demarcated is A. 2300 kilometer, B. 2325 kilometer, C. 2640 kilometer, D. 2275 kilometer. The right answer is C. 2640 kilometer. Question number 14. Pakistan, Afghanistan, Tajikistan, Megawatt Electricity and Kyrgyzstan have signed 1300 agreement called A. APSA agreement, B. TASA agreement, C. CASA agreement, D. PASA agreement. The right answer is C. CASA agreement. CASA means Central Asia, South Asia. Question number 15. CEO of Google is A. Sundar Pichai, B. None of these, C. Mark Zuckerberg, D. Bill Gates. The right answer is A. Sundar Pichai. CEO means Chief Executive Officer. Question number 16. First Foreign Minister of Pakistan was A. None of these, B. LT Gen Riaz Hussain, C. Sir Zafarullah Khan, D. Liaquat Ali Khan. The right answer is C. Sir Zafarullah Khan. Question number 17. The infrared radiation from sun are strongly observed by A. greenhouse gases, B. plants, C. carbon dioxide, D. water bodies. The right answer is C. carbon dioxide. Question number 18. State Bank of Pakistan was inaugurated by Qaid in A. July 1948, B. February 1948, C. January 1948, D. June 1948. The right answer is A. July 1948. Question number 19. Iran and India will build seaport in Iran 100 miles in west of Gwadar seaport. A. Basmabad, B. Chahaba, C. Anzali. The right answer is B. Chahaba. Question number 20. The study of insects is called A. Pharmacology, B. Entomology, C. Immunology, D. Morphology. The right answer is B. Entomology. Question number 21. A person can recognize a sound in a little as A. 0.06 second, B. 0.05 second, C. 0.08 second, D. 0.07 second. The right answer is 0.05 second. Question number 22. Defense Minister of Saudi Arab in 2023 A. मुत्तैब बिन अब्दुल्ला, बी खालिद बिन सलमान, सी मोहम्मद बिन राशिद अल मखतूम, डी अबू सुफियान। The right answer is B. Khalid bin Salman. Question number 23. Now, when FIFA World Cup will be held? A. 2022, B. 2020, C. 2021, D. 2023. The right answer is 2020. FIFA means International Federation of Association Football. Question number 24. Which city is situated on the bank of Tigris River? A. Baghdad, B. Tehran, C. Cairo, D. Mosul. The right answer is A. Baghdad. Question number 25. World first 3D printed e-bike was manufactured by A. Japan, B. USA, C. China, D. Germany. The right answer is A. Japan. Question number 26. What is the national flower of Thailand? A. Rose, B. Yellow elder, C. Recha Freak, D. Lily. The right answer is C. Recha Freak. Question number 27. ISI is a military intelligence agency of A. Pakistan, B. Iran, C. India, D. Afghanistan. The right answer is A. Pakistan. ISI means Inter-Service Intelligence. Question number 28. King of which country abdicated in favor of his son? A. Japan, B. Spain, C. None of these, D. Nepal. The right answer is B. Spain. Question number 29. Muhammad Ali was great player of A. Boxing, B. Cricket. The right answer is A. Boxing. Question number 30. The 1973 Constitution of Pakistan came into force on A. 14th May 1973, B. 14th August 1973, C. 14th June 1973, D. 14th July 1973. The right answer is B. 14th August 1973. Question number 31. Which animal is depicted on the logo of WWE? A. Lion, B. Snake, C. Panda, D. Gorilla. The right answer is C. Panda. And WWE means World Wrestling Entertainment. Question number 32. BRICS BRICS was founded in A. 2009, B. 1998, C. 1981, D. 2006. The right answer is A. 2009. And BRICS mean Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. Question number 33. First SOS village of Pakistan was A. Karachi, B. Multan, C. Sialkot, D. Lahore. The right answer is D. Lahore. SOS means save our souls. Question number 34. Is the longest strait in the world A. Davis Strait, B. Strait of Hormuz, C. Bering Strait, D. Strait of Malacca. The right answer is D. Strait of Malacca. Question number 35. Who had the shortest tenure as Governor General of Pakistan? A. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, B. Iskandar Mirza, C. Ghulam Muhammad, D. Khan Azamuddin. The right answer is B. Iskandar Mirza. Question number 36. Highest military award of Pakistan is A. Iron Cross, B. Nishani Haider, C. Victoria Cross, D. None of them. The right answer is B. Nishani Haider. Question number 37. Which gas was first used in the World War I? A. Hydrogen, B. Nitrogen, C. Helium, D. Chlorine. The right answer is chlorine. Cl means chlorine. Question number 38. The most urbanized province of Pakistan is A. Balochistan, B. Sindh, C. Punjab, D. KPK. The right answer is B. Sindh. Question number 39. The constitutions of named Pakistan as Islamic Republic of Pakistan. A. 1948, B. 1962, C. 1973, D. 1956. The right answer is C. 1973. Question number 40. Federal government has approved a scheme for Quran education till A. Middle, B. Intermediate, C. Matric. The right answer is C. Matric. Question number 41. Great Pakistani Nath Khwan Manzoorul Konain died on 19 July 2016 in A. Karachi, B. Lahore, C. Wakant. The right answer is C. Wakant. Question number 42. Which animal has the shortest gestation period? Noun is 12 to 13 days. A. Mouse, B. Opossum, C. Elephant, D. Cat. The right answer is B. Opossum. Question number 43. The national flower of Singapore is A. Comet orchid, B. Rose, C. King Protea, D. Vanda Miss Joaquim. The right answer is D. Vanda Miss Joaquim. Question number 44. The proposed motorway from Gwadar to Kashgar is about kilometer. A. 3200 kilometer, B. 3000, C. 2600 kilometer, D. 2800 kilometer. The right answer is B. 3000 kilometer. Question number 45. Oldest democracy in the world is A. Pakistan, B. Greece, C. USA, D. India. The right answer is C. USA. Question number 46. Biggest continent of the world. A. Australia, B. Canada, C. America, D. South Asia. The right answer is D. South Asia. Question number 47. What is the official language of OLC? A. France, B. Punjabi, C. Bengali, D. Urdu. The right answer is A. France. OLC means Organization of Islamic Cooperation. Question number 48. First female LT General in Pakistan history is A. Nigar Johar, B. Parveen Liaquat, C. Asifa Johar, D. Salma Ubaid. The right answer is A. Nigar Johar. Question number 49. In which country do kangaroo lives? A. Japan, B. Pakistan, C. China, D. Australia. The right answer is D. Australia. Question number 50. Name the prophet who was the first man to write. A. Idris salam, B. Shuaib salam, C. Dawud salam, D. None of these. The right answer is A. Idris salam. Question number 51. International Energy Agency was founded in year A. 1972, B. 1970, C. 1974, D. 1978. The right answer is C. 1974. Question number 52. Where is Death Valley located? A. California, B. None of these, C. Texas, D. Florida. The right answer is A. California. Question number 53. Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was born in Taif, B. Makkah, C. None of these, D. Medina. The right answer is B. Makkah. Question number 54. Current chairperson of OGRA, Oil and Gas Regulatory Authority, Pakistan is A. Dr. Asim, B. Masroor Khan, C. Uzma Adil. The right answer is B. Masroor Khan. Question number 55. Longest road in the world is located in A. Alaska, B. New York, C. Argentina, D. Several states. The right answer is A. Alaska. Question number 56. Black gold is also second name of A. Coal, B. Oil, C. Cotton, D. Carbon. The right answer is B. Oil. Question number 57. Which is the biggest mosque in Pakistan? A. Shahi Mosque Lahore, B. Faisal Mosque Islamabad, C. Jamia Mosque Karachi, D. Chandni Mosque Peshawar. The right answer is B. Faisal Mosque Islamabad. Question number 58. What is subway? A. Short passage to any place, B. A road or path raised above ground level, C. Underground passage, D. None of the above. The right answer is C. Underground passage. Question number 59. Which country's flag never flies at half mast? A. Syria, B. Saudi Arabia, C. Jordan, D. Indonesia. The right answer is B. Saudi Arabia. Question number 60. Largest source of electricity in Pakistan? A. Thermal, B. Hydel, C. Coal energy, D. Geo energy. The right answer is C. Coal energy. Question number 61. Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif inaugurated Pak China optic fiber in Gilgit. Its length would be A. 805 km, B. 855 km, C. 840 km. The right answer is C. 840 km. Question number 62. After tallest mountain, the Mount Kilimanjaro is located in which country? A. South Africa, B. Tanzania, C. Egypt, D. Nigeria. The right answer is B. Tanzania. Question number 63. The Chagi Hills are located near A. Near Sibi, B. Near Kyoto, C. At China border, D. Pak-Afghan border. The right answer is D. Pak-Afghan border. Question number 64. Which country is completely surrounded by South Africa? A. Gabon, B. Niue, C. Laos, D. Lesotho. The right answer is D. Lesotho. Question number 65. President Mamnoon Hussain took oath on A. 9 September 2013, B. 11 September 2013, C. 7 September 2013, D. 5 September 2013. The right answer is A. 9 September 2013. Question number 66. All India Khilafat Committee was formed on A. 5 July 1919, B. 5 September 1919, C. 5 October 1919, D. 5 March 1919. The right answer is D. 5 March 1919. Question number 67. Now when FIFA World Cup will be held? A. 2022, B. 2021, C. 2023, D. 2020. The right answer is 2022. Question number 68. The first foreign minister of Pakistan was A. Sardar Abdurrahman Nishtar, B. Yaqub Khan, C. Liaquat Ali Khan, D. Zafarullah Khan. The right answer is D. Zafarullah Khan. Question number 69. The national animal of Pakistan is A. Markhor, B. Elephant, C. None of the above, D. Tiger. The right answer is A. Markhor. Question number 70. Which river does not flow from Jammu and Kashmir? A. Jhelum, B. Ravi, C. Indus, D. Chenab. The right answer is B. Ravi. Question number 71. Capital of Brunei is A. Darussalam, B. Beirut, C. Bandar Seri Bhagwan, D. Kiev. The right answer is C. Bandar Seri Bhagwan. Question number 72. GST in Pakistan: A. 0.3%, B. 18%. The right answer is 18%, B. GST means General Sale Tax. Question number 73. Mirani Dam is located in A. Kuzdar, B. Tarbat, C. Swabi, D. Pashin. The right answer is B. Tarbat. Question number 74. When UNO established? A. 24 October 1945, B. 24 October 1947, C. 24 October 1944, D. 24 October 1946. The right answer is A. 24 October 1945. UNO means United National Organization. Question number 75. Third Battle of Panipat was fought in A. 1739, B. 1528, C. 1761, D. 1756. The right answer is 1761. Question number 76. Current IG Sindh: A. A.D. Khwaja, B. Mushtaq Sakhira, C. Ghulam Nabi Memon. The right answer is C. Ghulam Nabi Memon. IG mean Inspector General. Question number 77. Army Command and Staff College is in A. Rawalpindi, B. Lahore, C. Karachi, D. Quetta. The right answer is D. Quetta. Question number 78. During the year 1999 to 2000, the national saving rate of Pakistan was A. 22.01%, B. 12.2%, C. 14.6%, D. 19.3%. The right answer is B. 12.2%. Question number 79. Who is the President of the National Bank of Pakistan? A. Asif Hassan, B. Shahid Hafiz Kardar, C. Rahmat Ali Asnai, D. Yasin Anwar. The right answer is C. Rahmat Ali Asnai. Question number 80. Who is the founder of Pakistan? A. Allama Iqbal, B. Maulana. The right answer is A. Allama Iqbal. Question number 80. What was the name of the India plane that was hijacked in 1971? A. Lanka, B. Jamna, C. Ganga, D. Bangla. The right answer is C. Ganga. Question number 82. The biggest island of Indonesia is A. Sumatra, B. Java, C. Seram, D. Sulawesi. The right answer is D. Sulawesi. Question number 83. First President of Congress was A. W.C. Banerjee, B. None, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. A.O. Hume. The right answer is A. W.C. Banerjee. W.C. means Umesh Chandra. Question number 84. Gobi Desert is located in A. Mongolia, B. Syria, C. India, D. Russia. The right answer is A. Mongolia. Question number 85. Government of Punjab banned the Pakistani movie A. Ball, B. War, C. Malik. The right answer is C. Malik. These banned in 2016. Question number 86. Which of the following is the oldest dam of Pakistan? A. Tarbela, B. Warsak, C. Mangla, D. Gumalzam. The right answer is B. Warsak. Question number 87. What razor thin country accounts for the more than half of the western coastline of South America? A. Chile, B. Peru, C. Colombia, Ecuador. The right answer is A. Chile. Question number 88. India has constructed Gwalior Dam in district of occupied Kashmir. A. Jammu, B. Doda, C. Udhampur, D. Poonch. The right answer is B. Doda. Question number 89. When East Pakistan separated from West Pakistan, A. 22nd December 1971, B. 26 December 1971, C. 19 December 1971, D. 16 December 1971. The right answer is 16 December 1971. Question number 90. Metal used to galvanize iron is called A. Lead, B. Zinc, C. Copper, D. Aluminium. The right answer is B. Zinc. Question number 91. First private airline of Pakistan. A. Hajweri Airline, B. Blue Airways, C. PIA, D. Orient Airline. The right answer is D. Orient Airline. Question number 92. First Foreign Minister of Pakistan was Sir Zafarullah Khan, B. None of these, C. Liaquat Ali Khan, D. LT General Riaz Hussain. The right answer is A. Sir Zafarullah Khan. Question number 93. The largest part of hydrosphere is A. India, B. Atlantic, C. None, D. Pacific. The right answer is D. Pacific. Question number 94. Wular Lake is situated on the river A. Jhelum, B. Ravi, C. Kabul, D. Gomal. The right answer is A. Jhelum. Question number 95. Which country is the smallest by population after Vatican City? A. Palau, B. San Marino, C. Morocco, D. Tuvalu. The right answer is C. Morocco. Question number 96. Which city is situated on the bank of Tigris River? A. Tehran, B. Baghdad, C. Cairo, D. Mosul. The right answer is B. Baghdad. Question number 97. In absence of President of Pakistan, who will perform as acting President? A. Speaker National Assembly, B. Prime Minister, C. Interior Minister, C. Chairman Senate. Right answer is D. Chairman Senate. Question number 98. The number of rivers in Balochistan are A. 7, B. 10, C. 9, D. 8. The right answer is A. 7. Total river 24 river in Pakistan, of which 8 river in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, 7 in Balochistan, 5 in Punjab and 4 in Sindh. Question number 99. Which India air base was attacked on January 2016 by a heavily armed group? A. Pathankot ASF, B. Mumbai ASF, C. Amritsar ASF. The right answer is A. Pathankot ASF. Question number 100. The Indian Council Act Minto Morley reforms was enacted into law in A. 1910, B 1912, C 1909, D 1911. The right answer is C 1909.